To use dual SIM on the Redmi A7 Pro, first of all, you will have to insert them. So the slot is right here on the left side. You will have to open it by inserting that SIM ejection tool. Inside, push it, and now take it off. Now grab with your fingernails, remove it. And as you can see, this is how you have to put both SIM cards with this cutout downwards. And now you will have to just insert them back slowly. Just go inside, push it with your finger. And right now, when you input them properly, you will get this SIM card pin code. So you will have to input it. Now you can just unlock. And you have to go for settings. So right now you will have to go for mobile and networks. And here, as you can see, we can set that up. First of all, we can use dual LTE feature, but also use mobile data during VoLTE calls on secondary SIM. So here you can set up everything. And below, you can set the dual SIM settings, like the default SIM for messages, for phone calls, but also for a mobile data. And here we can also find this data roaming, which looks like this. And now when you go for each of your SIM card, you can still manage this. So we can change its name by clicking here if you want for some reason. So we can set this like private number or a work number. You can also select carrier for each manually or automatically. You can also turn on and off the Wi-Fi callings. You can set network preferences for roaming. And what can I recommend you to turn off the 2G, because it's old technology and very vulnerable for some attacks. And here you can also select the preferred network type, but for me it's not available because I can only find 4G version, but if you have a 5G Redmi A7 Pro, so you can actually do this. And that's how you can properly use dual SIM on this device.